I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable transparency mode on the Oraimo FreePods 4. So the first method is using the app. Go to the Oraimo Sound app, select your FreePods 4, and then you should see the noise control mode, and you can enable transparency mode by selecting transparency. And to disable, you can either choose noise cancellation off or you can enable noise cancellation. Both these options will disable transparency mode. This is the only option to turn on transparency mode, this one right here on the right hand side. Now alternatively, you can long press on the left FreePod until you hear 2 beeps, and that's going to cycle through the different noise control modes. So currently we have transparency mode turned on. If you long press and hear 2 beeps and release, it's going to turn off by either enabling noise cancellation or rather turning off noise cancellation, or if you long press again, hear 2 beeps and release, it could turn on noise cancellation, both of which will be disabling the transparency mode. So those are the 2 ways of turning transparency mode on or off on the Oraimo FreePods 4. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.